Oh my goodness, this giant.
Look how big the T-Rex is.
Can you imagine having to drive that thing?
Yeah, that's huge. That's what you call a tongue.
Anything you like, yeah, yeah, yeah. Uh-huh.
Hey everybody, we are back again. We're gonna make it 2 weeks in a row. Ha ha.
Yay!
we are here at Cartersville at the Tellus Science Museum.
Yes.
It's a place we've been wanting to get to for a long time.
Our grandson had his birthday last week, and so for his birthday present, we're bringing him, his mom, his dad, and his 2 sisters to Tellus.
Yep. And this is kind of like a sister museum. If you watch some of our older videos, we did the Savoy Auto Museum.
Mm-hmm.
Same kind of group of people owns this, and they actually have another. It's called Booth Western Museum.
Booth Western Museum.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And so Cartersville's kind of a hop-in place right now. They've got some cool things going on. So
well, and these museums are amazing.
yeah, we've never been here, so we have no idea what to expect.
We're excited.
We do have big monster trucks out here that we're already checking out.
Yes.
But we're fixing to go inside and see what all's inside. Like I said, we haven't been here, so we don't really know what to expect, but we're going to kind of show you a little bit inside if they let us photograph inside. Mm-hmm. And we'll try to put a little video together so you know what's up here. It is literally right off I-75.
Mm-hmm. You can see it from the interstate.
Super, you can probably hear the interstate noise behind us, so it's super easy to get to. So if you're traveling through the area, I mean, this is a really great stop.
Please blow, let me suck a suntan. You can be my best friend. Anything you like, yeah. 'Cause I got lots of miles there. I feel is good. I feel is good. I feel is good.
Do you know what this was? This used to be a tree. Yeah. That's cool. It's a trace fossil.
What is that?
It's called amber.
Okay, what is that?
That is clam.
What is that?
Coral.
What's that?
More clams. Can you imagine catching a fish like that?
I'd run.
Mm-hmm, me too. And the turtle right there. Ooh. So what is that, Cody? Show me.
That's a T-Rex footprint. Oh my goodness, giant.
Look how big the T-Rex is. Dinosaur poop. Dinosaur poop.
What the heck?
Did you touch dinosaur poop?
Yeah. Put it down gentle.
Dinosaur poop.
Put it down gentle. Like dinosaur food. It's true. Well, it's. Mommy, come over here. Come over here. Mommy, come over here. Save this part for last because it has a T-Rex, okay?
You know what it looks like? It kind of looks like an armadillo. It's a giant armadillo. I was right.
Oh my goodness, happy one.
Spreading apart. See, we're here now, right there, and then after, this was 80 million years ago, and the continents kept spreading apart.
What was there before the dinosaurs?
Just land. See, it was all one big piece of land.
Like today?
No, today it's even further. All the continents have shifted even more.
Do kind of like a spacewalk.
Are you moonwalking?
See the specks in the water there? Scoop some sand. Here we go. Scoop some sand. I suggest not too much, but do what you want. You roll around, you settle towards the bottom, pour the water off. Put your hands, start picking them out. Oh, I saw some in there. There's one there, another one there. Look at the red, look at that one there. Those are them. Start picking them out. The bags are in the pan there. Now, trick for little kids, pour the water towards the middle, and not on your shirt. Now, they didn't turn me either, so. All right, go ahead. Go for it.
Here, let's go over here. I think we have to start down here.
Okay, let me show you over here.
Okay. He's going to show us over here.
Give it Jen. Let me start here. Let me start here, guys. Trick number one, where to sleep.
I'm supposed to get
Buddy, this is yours.
can't even find a phone. I found a phone. Daddy, come in here. Daddy, come in here.
Got the money if you got the time. I got the stars if you got the light. Oh, I can paint with the color in your eyes. Paint a scene of you and I.
Found one. I found one. I found one. I found one. I found one, boss. What? What? Oh yeah, you did. What's this? Whoa! I'm a big truck.
See, the parrots are moving. The louder you get it, the more they move.
I'm ready to fly.
Alright guys, that does it. Like I said, we didn't do much talking in there. We're just going to give you a few little clippets of inside the museum. We was very impressed. It's the first time we've ever been there. There is a lot to do in there. We ended up spending about 3.5, 4 hours in there because
Yeah.
there's so much hands-on for the kids to do.
Well, and the kids had a blast. They're already planning their next trip.
Yes. And we went from there. We went and had some
Ate
dinner
some
while we
dinner.
was down there. So that's kind of why we're filming in the car on the way home, because we didn't. Everybody was starving by the time we got done, so we went and grabbed a quick bite, and we didn't want to record that being family time and stuff.
Right.
But again, if you're in the Cartersville area, Cartersville's really hopping right now.
Yes.
They've got the Tellus Museum, they've got the Savoy Auto Museum, which we've done a video on before, and they have the Booth Western Museum, which we haven't done yet either. It's all owned by the same
Conglomerate.
that's done all three of those museums, so they're really neat. But again, like I said, we try not to show you everything because we want you to go visit these places.
Yes, get out and go see it.
We never do a video where we show everything inside because we don't feel like that does the place justice. You need to go visit in person. There's nothing I can ever show you on video is going to do it justice. So
Well, and the things we enjoy might not be things you enjoy.
yeah.
So we spent a lot of time in the dinosaur exhibit, but they also had minerals and, I mean, just tons of stuff. Electricity, they had an exhibit about electricity going on.
Yeah, and
So
they have a
it's-
theater and
Yes, planetarium.
all
There's
kinds
tons
of
of
stuff
things
in there.
there.
So again, if you're ever in the area, check it out. You won't be disappointed, and the rates are very, very reasonable. I mean, it's only like what, $17 a person or something. So
Yep.
not bad at all.
And kids under 3 are free.
Yep. And so until next time, we'll see you then.
We'll see you next time, guys.
I want to take a picture.
Planetariums are cool if you like stars.